Do you have a brand new ink pad and you are wondering what to do with these labels in the back? Well, let me show you what to do with them so that you can quickly find the ink that you want. I'm Sylvie from Sylvie Stamps, where I show you quick and easy paper crafting stress-free. So I have a brand new ink pad here, and I'm going to show you how to use the labels. So first of all, I'm removing the plastic, obviously, the wrapping around that ink pad, and you will see that there's a series of labels in the back here. And what do we do with them? Okay, so there's a little arrow here. That's because we can lift that, and then we have access to these labels here. So I'm going to grab the English version here, and I like to put it in the front here. That's, you know, I stack my ink pads. There's that little lip here to open the ink pad, and that's where I like to put my first label. Here we go. Okay, and then inside here, when you have a number of ink pads, they all kind of, not all, but a lot of them are dark, and you don't know which color is which. And so I like to use the blank label here and put it in that little valley here. So I like to use the little palette part of the take your pick tool because it fits exactly in that little groove. And then I can hold the one end here, and then just slide it like this, and I have my label. And now I know that my color is here. Now you have a bunch of other labels, and so you can use them in various ways. For example, you could use the French one or any other language that you prefer, and put it on the other side of your ink pad. That way, if it gets stuck the other way, then you still know what it is. Okay? All right. Now, these here, you can leave these like that if you want, but I like to remove them because the little feet here are not very tall, and when I remove the labels, my ink pads stack better. As I said, you don't have to, but I like to do that, and also it's a little cleaner in the back. So I'm going to remove that. That goes in the garbage, and my ink pad is ready to be used for beautiful projects. So give it a thumbs up if you liked this video, and subscribe if you would like to have more. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.